Hi, it's Claudia. Welcome to Claudolls, and it's Valentine's. The most sweet time of the year. And of course, I'm coming with a Valentine's collaboration with my doll friends.
Early Doll's House, Blurred Colors Heart, Stefan Burrows Fox, Moonlight, I Could Do That DIY, Jackie O, and last but not least, me, Claudolls.
From the moment that I hear that, I knew I had to do something really special. First, I look at Thingiverse and I look for some beachy dolls, and I thought, no, it have to be really special. So I thought, why not help another artist and buy a beachy doll from another artist. So I started my search on Etsy.
And I found the work of eyelid art, and I fall in love with Ariana. So I put my 3D printer working, a Lego Mars 2 Pro, and I finished with this. I have a ball full of dolls. And now it's time for the fun part. With my Mr. Super Clear, I give it 3 layers, let it dry, 30 minutes between the layers, my watercolor pencils and my soft pastels, Rembrandt. I start giving life to Katherina. Yeah, I give it the name of Katherina. I think it's a sweet name for her. I'm using dark pink pastel colors and white, and micro powder also in pink color. I start blushing the nose, the cheeks, the eyes and the ears. I think all of the details are really cute, are amazing. She's an amazing doll. You really have to check it out, the work of eyelid. For the nose, I want to give it a little heart to make her even more sweet. I started with a light pink color and then I go with a red color. For the eyeliner, I choose a light pink acril paint. I don't want to give her a black colors. I don't want to make her a dark. And the mold of this doll, she already have an highlight printed on her, so I just have to fill the form with the acrylic paint. And layer by layer I give her more opacity and more details. I also want to give her some texture to the skin. I will give her some freckles with the acrylic paint diluted on water and watercolor pencils diluted on water also, and finish with micro powder. This face have 4 layers of Mr. Super Clear. With white acrylic, I'm giving it a waterline. Do you have plans for your Valentine's? I don't know yet what I'm gonna do. Maybe my husband have a surprise for me. I don't know. Sweetie, if you're listening this, you know what I mean. At least some chocolates, please. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna use a turquoise green, soft pastel. I'm gonna give it a shape first, and then with a watercolor pencil in turquoise color, I give it fine lines, and in the meanwhile, I draw the bottom lashes, also with a turquoise watercolor pencil. She's so cute. And with white watercolor pencil, I give it some details, some highlights, as usual in every face-up that I made. I found this green doll eyelashes. I think was perfect for her. I'm gonna cut them in the right size and I'm gonna glue them with tacky glue as normal. I'm just giving some touches, little white hairs to the eyebrows. For the eyes, I'm gonna use this mold, this silicone mold. I think this size is the perfect size, and I'm gonna draw them in a piece of carton. Oops, they're too big. I have to make them small. I want to give her pink, red eyes, and I want to decorate the iris with some red glitters and with some flowers in light green, light pink, and I'm gonna use also this black bead, and I let everything dry before I continue. I'm gonna fill the mold first with my UV resin. And that's how the iris turned out. And I'm gonna put it inside of it before I cure it under the UV lamp for 90 seconds. Well, not 90 seconds, I did it for 3 times 90 seconds. And I finish with white UV resin. For the clothes, I'm gonna make something really simple. I'm gonna use this pink tulle, 3 layers, and this elastic. I wanna give her a skirt. I'm gonna gather everything in the top. I wanna make her really romantic, like a kind of ballerina. I also give her this cotton light pink underwear. I made this cardigan with the leftovers of yarn a year ago, so I'm sorry I don't have any footage of it, but I'm gonna decorate it with some palettes, glitters and beads and flowers. By the way, I attached 2 more magnets to the head because one was not enough. She was always falling down. And I attach it with epoxy clay and I let it dry. I'm imagining her like a ballerina, a little girl, a princess. And of course, as all the princesses, she needs a manicure. And you notice we have the same color in the nails. I'm gonna paint her nails in baby light pink acrylic, and also she needs a pedicure. Look at the little pot. It's so cute. I'm gonna paint some little arts in the leg. and with some pink pastel colors, I give it the texture and shadow to the body, and also some freckles. I couldn't resist. I'm sorry, I had to paint a heart in the bottom of her boat. I put some water in my brush and in my watercolor pencil, and that's the way I took the pigment out. And with my finger, that is very professional, I just tap on it. I take the excess of the pigment out and I make it a lot of layers to give it a good texture to the skin. I do it on the legs and on the arms. Her tail, I also put a magnet on it, and I also use the same soft pastel colors, pink, and I finish it with micro powder glitter in pink color, and look how shiny and cute it is. And I seal my work with Mr. Super Clear. It's time for the wig. Of course, I have to protect the head with some kitchen plastic foil, and then I'm using these baby towels. I use them for me, and normally the last ones they get dried, so I use them to make the wigs of my dolls. And with Mod Podge, I give it a thick layer of it around it, and I let it dry for the night. The other day I cut it the shape that I wanted, and that's how I achieve my wig. And it's time to put the hair in place. I'm gonna use this green mint pastel color hair that I'm gonna attach it with hot glue around the head. And I finished the hair decorating hem with a big satin pink ribbon with some flowers and brilliants and butterflies that I glue it directly on the wig with hot glue. The only thing I have to do is put the eyes on place and make the last photos of Katherina.
And there she is, and don't forget to check out the other videos of the other amazing artists. I will put all of the links below in the description box as usual, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and see what it brings. The next video is always an adventure, and leave your like, leave your comment. I read all of your comments, you know that. I love it. And yeah, have a nice Valentine's Day, and I see you on my next video. Bye! Bye, Katherina!